Are fireworks banned where you live? Well, today I'm going to show you how to celebrate important events like New Year's Eve, even if you can't buy any fireworks. This is DP Learn Now. I'm Jason. This channel is about lifelong learning, and one part of lifelong learning is learning how to make a suitable alternative to fireworks. I live in Australia, where you can't buy any fireworks. But let me show you a few ways you can still have fun and celebrate important events with pyrotechnics. This video is part 1 in my alternative fireworks ideas trilogy. I wonder what this could be. You'd better check out part 2 to find out. The first alternative fireworks method is somewhat unimpressive, but it requires no materials at all and only a computer with some editing software. By using Microsoft Video, I can insert fireworks anywhere on the screen. We can have fireworks here, or here, or here, and then I can say, Happy New Year! Or what about Happy Guy Fawkes Night? Lame! Yes, you're right, that was pretty lame. But I promise the second technique is much better. The next idea is to make a matchstick castle that includes sparklers. Here's how I did it.
Warning! Do not do this yourself. It is dangerous. I repeat, it is dangerous.
So I wonder, will this make a good alternate firework? Let's find out. And what better way to test it out than with a medieval Lego battle?
Oh no, an army's coming! Haha, finally! After marching for 25 to 30 minutes, we have reached the castle. Oi, slave boy, come and do that magic thingy that you do to burn that thing over there.
Yes, me lord. Incendio.
Perfect, and launch!
What do I do? What do I do? I know, I'll move the castle down onto the grass instead. Haha. So what do you think? Is that a suitable replacement for fireworks? I must admit, that wasn't anything like what I'd pictured. What I wanted was a small amount of fire, and then the pretty sparklers on top, making it look all nice. But instead we had fire everywhere, engulfing everything, and you couldn't see the sparklers. So that didn't really go to plan at all. Should I try and make a better one? Let me know in the comments down below. Hopefully I get a better result from my video for part 2. Make sure you check that out. And remember, if you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything.